Hi everyone, I am Ritu and welcome to my channel. So today I'll show you how I shoot my Instagram reels and also how I edit them, so do watch till the end. Also, if you're not following me on Instagram, do check that out. So there are some steps that I follow before shooting my Instagram reels. So the first one is I plan out the content. So I post fashion and lifestyle content on my Instagram. So I plan out the outfits that I will be wearing, or if I'm making any transition video, I'm changing 2 to 3 outfits in a reel. Then I plan out the outfits and how I will be making the transitions, that I'll show you in a minute. The second one is the video layout. So how I want the video to look, I also plan that. To get some inspiration on what video to create, I also scroll through Instagram reels a lot so that I get a lot of ideas on what's trending on reels or what audio people are using, what music people are using. So it's really important to use trending music on reels. That does quite well. So you have to research a lot for that to find out trending audio that people are using more so that you can use that in your reels too. So these are the two main steps that I do. I always plan out the content and the outfits that I will be wearing and also how I want the video to look, and then I fix a day and shoot the reels. And I'm going to show you some behind the scenes on how I shoot my reels. So let's get started. So I shoot with my phone and I place my phone on a tripod, as you can see here. Please ignore the mess around. So I have an idea on how I want my video to look and I'm trying to create that here. In this particular reel that I'm shooting, I will be making 3 outfit changes, and this is the first top, and here I'm taking the second top and pretending to put it on. So next I changed into this top and making the same gesture as if I just put it on, and then I will edit it in a way so that it looks like the top got changed instantly within a second. And I'm just trying to create the video the way that I want it to look. Here I am taking the third top and making the same gesture as before so as to edit it in the same way as if it just got changed within a second. So that's how the shooting part goes. Next, let's start with the editing. So I use an app called VLLO for editing my reels. Click on the plus button and select the video that you want to edit. I'm selecting the 3 clips that I just shot. And for reels, you have to select the 9:16 ratio, as that is what the reels ratio is. Click on create project and all the videos will be imported on a timeline. So here are the 3 videos that I just imported. And for more detailed editing, you have to pinch on the clips so as to expand it. And I want my video to start at this point, so I will be splitting the video with that scissor sign that you can see down there. So that's the split, and I'll delete the previous part that I don't want. So the video starts from here. I'm going to give another split over here. I try to keep the clips between 1 to 2 seconds each so that the frame keeps on changing and the video doesn't become boring. So again, I'll be splitting it over here and deleting the part that I don't want. So I'll keep on editing it this way. So here I'm taking the next top and putting it on. So I will split it just at the point where I put it on, and a split over here, and I delete the next part. And in the next video, I'll find the place where I do the same gesture here, and I'll split here, right there, and delete the previous part as I don't want it. So now I'll see. Yeah. So it happens almost instantly. I'll reduce this clip a little bit so that it happens more faster, and it seems like it just got changed within a second here. So that's the effect we're going for this transition. In the next step, I'll do the same thing. I'll edit it the same way. I'll split it just after I just put it on and delete the next part. And then in the next video, I'll find the same place where I'm doing the gesture of putting it on just join the clips like that. And that's how it turns out. And I'll finish the whole editing, and this is just a time lapse. Okay, so done with the editing. So now I will be adding text here. I'm just choosing a basic text. You get a lot of options for text here. I prefer using basic text, and you write whatever you want to write on it. You can move around the text as you can see, and I'm customizing the color. You can customize everything, the color, the font, the background that you want for the text. And yeah, I think it's fine for me. I just changed the text a little bit. You can also adjust the time for the text, for how long you want to appear the text on your video, and at which particular part you want the text to appear. You can adjust that too. I'm adding some text in between too, as I'm changing it to 3 tops, so I'm just explaining the process that I'm doing here. So I like to add a lot of text in my videos so that I can explain the steps that I'm doing in the video, how you can style a particular item. I'll be explaining that in the text. Next, I'm adding an end frame on my Instagram Reels, which I made previously. You can add a lot of videos and photos in here. So importing that, here it goes. So that's the end frame for my video. Next, I'm adding music. I have some previously downloaded music here, which I'm adding. You can add your own music or previously downloaded music, or the music provided on Instagram Reel audio library, obviously. And it's done, and now I will be exporting it in the highest quality possible. So I always prefer exporting it into 4K quality. So that's what I'm doing here, and this is the final Reels that turned out. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful. Do let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, or you can also DM me on Instagram. Like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to this channel. I post fashion and lifestyle content on a weekly basis. Do stick around for that, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.